Hello guys, I'll be talking on HTML headings. HTML headings usually contain a title or a main topic of a certain content. And it should be noted that HTML elements are block level elements. Now, what do I mean by block level elements? An HTML block level element is an element that creates a horizontal boundary block. It always starts on a new line and takes the full width available. So the examples are H1 to H6 element, P element, that is the paragraph element, then the div element. These are block line elements. Now the opposite of this block level element is HTML inline element. An HTML inline element is an element that does not create its own horizontal boundary block. That is, it does not start on a new line. Here's an example, or here are examples. Now it should be noted that there will be more HTML block level and inline element explained in the next tutorial. Now that is all for this video guys. Have a great day.